So, hey everyone, today I am starting a brand new playlist on C language from absolute beginner to advanced. The exciting part is I will be learning along with you guys. Currently, I know nothing about C language, so we are learning from scratch together. So let's dive in. So firstly, we are going to start from creating a new file. As, as I expect from you, I think you have already downloaded C and how to install a MNGW compilers. I hope you have already know that. So I'm directly starting from how to make files and what are headers and functions extra. So firstly, we will create a new file from by opening the folder in which I will create on this option. So let's say we are going to create a new file, and this is our first topic. So I will write it as first topic dot c. So here comes here it will open directly. So let's say we are going to code something. So first we have to know what we are going to code. Like for me, currently I just learned how to print and scan functions. So firstly we are going to print something like print hello Nitin. Nitin is my name. So firstly, we will include header file. Header file. I can explain it as let's say we are going to construct a building. So the main material we are going to require is in the header file. So header file includes all the functions from printf, scanf, and many other like math, other things like this. So firstly, we are going to firstly, we are going to add hash include standard input output dot h. This is a header file, and as you can see, the error marker was showing here, but now it's currently gone. So now we are going to create a main function in main. So I will explain it. It will explain as when we are going to compile or execute this program, the compiler runs firstly it calls the main function. Calling the main function means that he will search for the main function in which our main code is stored. So the order is firstly we are going to create a header file which I already created, and secondly I will create a main function. And in main function we are going to write our code. So what we want to print. Let's say I want to print hello Internet. So I will type it as printf. Printf is used for printing something to give output. So print. Then we will use the small brackets. So when we are so we can so we can and so we know that what we are going to get. And in this, when we use small bracket, if I don't use these double commas, then if I wrote something that it is accepted as function, but we are not going to print functions. So for that, we use these double commas. I don't know what to say them. So let's print hello, Nitin. And after that, we are going to use this semicolon. Semicolon is used for termination. To terminate any program that we are currently executing. Semicolon. So after that, we are going to return zero. Return zero represents that this function is perfectly executed. Now this is return zero to the to our main system. So let's play and let's press Control plus J. it will open a terminal. And here we will type it as gc first uh, topic dot c. By ending, it will create the exe file. So by this in this exe file, if we open it, nothing will happen. Just it will show the machine language code. So we don't know how these works. So let's go back to them again. Now we are going to execute this executable file that is a.exe. So for that we write it as dot slash a dot exe. By running, we see here's the output that we are expecting it to print. Hello world, hello internet. So now we know what is printf, what is int main, and what is header file. So that's our first topic. And hash includes to standard input output in which we learn printf. Now we are going to learn scanf. But as we know from our common knowledge, what do you mean by scan? Scan is searching something. So by writing scanf in the main function, we are commanding the computer to scan. To scan means to take input from the user. So, and so for scanf, we firstly we need to create some function which we are going to store our value. Like if we create int function, may int float, these are the data types. So let's first say int x. X means variable or integer data type. So now I created the x data type, and here we will use uh, percentage f in double bracket, then close it, then comma, and ampersand x. So here we can see percentage f means in what type of uh sorry, here comes percentage d, not percentage f. Percentage f is used for float, percentage d is used for integer. So now uh, the value you enter is see, that's our first code. Now we try to run again. As we can see, we enter when we run the files, we have to enter something. Then we enter file, and it gives us the output. Oh, here's the mistake. Although we have already entered from which data type we are going to take a value, but we didn't enter what type of value we are going to print. So here we have to again percentage d. Now it's correct. Now let's try to run it again. Here's the answer. So as I already told you guys, I'm also learning, so I'm not perfect. No, anywhere in the world is perfect. So that's the first topic that I learned. Printf and scanf and header file, int main and return zero. These are the things that I learned today from Apna College channel. or you can consider any video whom you prefer. Thank you guys.